Hi, my name is Jose Romero and I am a teacher in a pastry school about panettone. For me, making panettone is a challenge every day. In this masterclass, I hope that we can share knowledge about panettone, about this fermented dough and its different versions, either in taste and shape. At the end of this masterclass, I hope that everything you've learned and seen can be combined with the best of your knowledge to make the most out of it. To do so, we're always going to be by your side and waiting to see your amazing results. I am inviting you to join me in this masterclass at BTF to learn the secrets and everything you need to know about panettone.